Hey everybody, welcome back to Bearded Cubing 101. My name is Joe. I'm your host, the Bearded Cuber, and welcome to Scuba Palooza. This is season number 6. I'm losing my voice, but Merry Christmas to everybody. You know what? Let's get started. So way back when, I introduced you to two cubes. The first one was the Ivy Leaf over here, and the other one was the Dino Cube over there. And what we're going to do in this season is we're going to build off of what we learned with just these two cubes. Okay, so you're going to be surprised where this is going to take you. All right, so let's go ahead and just get started here. The first one off the bat is the QI, QIYI, QE, I don't know, copper coin cube. Okay, so it's this one. It's the copper coin cube. I got this one for $18.08. That is a steep price, my friend. I can't really say that I would recommend buying this at $18, but you know, it is what it is. It's one of these deals where it just does these dino moves right here, and then the centers move, right? Super easy level 1 type of cube, but you know, if you want to get it for your collection, go ahead and grab it. You know, but I'll show you how to solve that one. Next one up is the Land Honeycopter. This one is $10.71, and this also has this type of a turning capability, and you know, $10.71. I still think that's a little overpriced for this one, but you know, but man, this one here, $18. Really, this should be like a $7 cube. I think this one should probably be about a $7 cube. And the next one up here is going to be the Barrel Ready Cube. This one's always really advertised as a beginner entry level cube, or barrel, whatever. I got this one for $5.89. And let me be clear, nobody's given me these cubes. You know, I get these off of Amazon. I get it from the Cubicle. I get it from Cube Depot. But you know, nobody's like, you know, I'm not sponsored by anyone. So you know, but if anybody wants to give me a cube, go ahead and give me a cube, man. But $5.89. Yeah, I don't know. It's a good cube, right? I think it's like a $3-4 cube, but you know, $5, 89 cents, not bad. The next one up is going to be the Clover Cube. Okay, and this one sells for $19.90. I think that this is totally worth it. Okay, at $19, you know, $20. I like it. You can do a whole bunch of stuff with this cube. I mean, you treat it just like a one of these copter cubes, and it has the ability where you can do a jumbled and a non-jumbled, right? And I'm going to end up showing you both. So first we're going to do the non-jumbled version, and then I'll show you the jumbled version later. But $20, totally worth it. Next one up is the Mosaic Cube right here. Really cool. I like it. It's nice. It's very interesting. It's very interesting even to look at. It's unusual. You know, $18.27. Still a little steep. These cubes are real steep for some reason. You know, I really, you know, most of these cubes should be selling, in my opinion, for half of the price. But you know, I'm not in charge of how much these things cost, right? So Flower Rex Cube is next one. I got this one for $10.43. I think that's a pretty reasonable price for this cube. I like it. You know, I think those. You know what? I may have gotten all of these off of Amazon. I'm pretty sure I did. Yeah, in fact, I'm sure I did. So anyways, the Flower Rex Cube, totally like it. Great cube, nice price. Next one up is the Diane Dino Scoob Cube. This one here sells for $10.40. Yeah, yeah, good deal. That's also another good deal. That's just about right. It's good. The next one up is the Lattice Cube. This one sells for, well, let's round it up to $20. $20 seems a little steep for this cube, but nonetheless, it's a nice cube. The next one up is the Diane Master Scoob Cube. Got this one for $15. Totally worth it. Buy this one. This is a really good, nice, solid cube. $15, definite. Next one up is the Helicopter Cube. This one was $10, $11, $11, rounded up. Totally nice cube, totally worth it. Next one up would be the Moyu Fisher Scoob. And this one's actually advertised as an entry-level cube as well. Sometimes these entry-level, these cubes are advertised as entry-level, right? You're going to need to know some stuff here. But luckily for you, I've got a treat for you. I made some stuff up that I'm going to be willing to share it with you freely, of course. And it's going to help you understand how to solve these type of scubes. So the next one up is the Twisty Scoob, right? And this chart that I made up, I don't know if I want to call it a cheat sheet or anything like that, but I definitely put a lot of time and a lot of effort into making this chart, and I got to figure out a way how I'm going to display it, either on screen or, because I'm still trying to figure out, how to do these graphics and stuff. I'm not really that computer savvy, but, we'll figure it out. We'll get that information out to you somehow, one way or another. But this one, the Twisty Scoob was, did I even tell you about this one? This one was the Fisher Scoob, and it was $10. And then this one here is the Twisty Scoob, and that's $17. That's a steep price, in my opinion. Okay, so then we go up to the Mefferts Scoob Ultimate. $29.95 for this thing. $29.95. That's a steep price. Let's move on. It's a good cube. It's real nice. But you're definitely gonna have to know how to solve this one, and then we can get to this one. After that, we're gonna kind of go back a little bit, and we're gonna go back to the Clover Cube, and then this time I'm going to show you how to do the jumbled version of the Clover Cube, okay, which is much more difficult, of course. And then that's going to help you understand how to do the Curvy Copter, right? This one comes in at $11.76. Totally worth it. Get a Curvy Copter, okay, for less than $12. Yes, get it. And so I recommend that one. Also, my cube of choice, and you're gonna see how learning these right here, the most basic Scoob and Dino cubes, is gonna progress you throughout the ranks here, and then you're gonna finally end up with the Land Flower Copter Cube. And this is what it looks like when it's semi-solved. I haven't gotten to it yet to finish it off just yet. $20.35. Totally worth it. Great price for a great cube right here. But to be able to solve this cube, man, my cats are fighting up a storm. Buddy. Okay. Yeah, they were doing some epic wrestling right there. You can probably hear them in the background. So you guys be able to see how the progression gets you all the way up to this. Well, I guess I would consider, like, if this is like a level 1 cube, okay, I would consider this to be a level 10. Okay, I mean, it's that complicated or advanced, or I don't know what term to put on it. I don't really like putting a lot of terms on anything, because what's complicated for one person might be quite easy for another. And let's not, I don't want to put a label on anything, but I will say that this is, it kind of goes in this order from complexity for me, I guess. Okay, so that's it. This is going to be a really long season, so I think I'm going to try to step it up a little bit here, where instead of releasing 2 videos a month, I'm going to try and do I mean, schedule wise it's going to be rough, but I'm going to try to go for 3, and if I can 4 videos a month. But then there's going to be times where we're going to be getting into more complex cubes, and we're going to have to take more time to do these, right? So then we might kind of kick it back to 2 videos a month, maybe from, I don't know, here on, I guess. I don't know, we'll see how it works out. Okay, so that's it, man. We'll see you next time. Barry 101. Take care. Bye. Buddy, stop it. Man.